Hi everyone, it's Trisha with the Clearview Library District, and I am here to talk to you about the Clearview Homeschoolers Academy kit that you would have picked up for the October Pandemic Prevention Narrative Escape Room Program. So in your kit, you will have the Pandemic Prevention Training HQ packet, and this is for the facilitator of the Narrative Escape Room. You will have the Pandemic Prevention Trainee packet, and these are for your kids who are going to be working through learning how to prevent a pandemic. There are also some small supplies in the envelope so they didn't get lost in the bag, so keep an eye out for those. You'll have a sheet of watercolor paper with an outline of a body. You'll have a bowl. You will have some watercolor paints. You'll have some Play-Doh, and you will have some glitter. So you'll work your way through the tasks one at a time, and for the facilitator, there are quality control sheets to help you ensure that your children are completing the tasks and getting the material that they need to understand out of it. And so you will help them by having them take one task at a time, and then they will come to you when they finished a task. You are training HQ, training headquarters. They will return to training HQ after each task for the quality control before they're ready to move on to the next. And most of the tasks also have some vocabulary associated with them, so when your children return to you, you can ask them about the vocabulary they might have learned about, and those are in, the vocabulary words are in the quality control sheets. So the tasks are to stay curious, so this is just a little bit of an introductory task to help ignite the imagination. The second task is what is a virus? So this is the part that's really setting up the basis for the pandemic prevention, learning what a virus is. So they will define the word virus, they will draw a virus, and then in task 3, they will make their own virus. They will need the Play-Doh for that task, and then they will need the little pieces that are in the envelope. You will have 2 plastic pegs and a couple of toothpicks, and they will be using those with the Play-Doh to make their virus. And then they will do task 4, which is, wow, look at how much we touch stuff, Scavenger Hunt. So all you will need for this is the task sheet and a pen, and they will run around the house and think about all of the things that they touch in a day. Task 5 is germ spreading. So after they've touched all that stuff, they're going to think about hand washing. So this is where the bowl will come in. You will need to provide some lotion. Alternatively, you could use baby oil or olive oil or something like that. And then they'll need the glitter. And they're going to pour the glitter into the lotion and rub it all over their hands and see how their glittered hands leave traces behind. And then task 6 will be a hand washing activity. And then task 7, this is where the watercolor paper, the body outline, and the watercolor paint will come into play. This is the task about the immune system. So they could use the body outline as a stencil, or they could draw their own body. If you have butcher block paper at home, it could be really fun to actually have them trace out their own body and do this activity on a larger scale. But if not, then you can do it with these materials, and you'll be painting the 3 layers of the immune system, and more details about those are in the task sheets and the quality control sheets. And if you have little ones who are too young for these activities, or older ones who are too advanced for these activities, there are some extension activities in your Training HQ packet. Also, older ones might have a lot of fun helping facilitate. They might have a lot of fun being the training headquarters. So thank you for picking up the Pandemic Prevention Kit, and I hope that you really enjoy it.